Sleeping on cars with the devil's dandruff? Hunter Biden's federal gun trial took another shocking turn after his sister-in-law and former lover delivered her testimony. Back in September 2023, Special Counsel David Weiss officially indicted the son of President Joe Biden on felony gun charges, including 2 counts of making false statements to purchase a firearm and a count of illegally owning a firearm while addicted to drugs. The charges came a few months after Hunter reached a guilty plea deal regarding 2 misdemeanor tax charges, which included a pretrial diversion agreement of a gun charge. However, the plans fell through after the U.S. District Court questioned the language of the deal. On June 4, 2024, Hunter's high-profile court case began in Delaware with a jury made up of 6 women and 6 men. As expected, the trial has been full of eye-opening testimonies regarding Hunter's infamous laptop, his past drug use, and more. However, on June 6th, the trial delivered its most shocking witness yet when his sister-in-law and ex-girlfriend, Hallie Biden, took to the stand, sharing bombshell statements about their tumultuous relationship and the fateful gun in question. The third day of Hunter's high-profile federal gun trial kicked off with Hallie, who had been cited as a key witness, taking the stand. During her testimony, she opened up about Hunter's surprise visit to her residence on October 23, 2018, which was the day she found the .38 caliber revolver at the center of the case. Describing his physical appearance, she said, "He was tired, exhausted, looked like he hadn't slept." When asked if Hunter was using at the time, Hallie said that he could have been, before adding that she tidied up his car of any drugs or alcohol to help him stay or get sober. She told the prosecution, "Aside from trash and clothes, I found remnants of crack cocaine, paraphernalia, and the gun, obviously." Hallie went on to say that she panicked after finding the gun and ammunition, so she hid it in a grocery bag and took it to a local grocery store to throw away. She explained, "I considered hiding it somewhere, but I was afraid one of my children would find it. I was afraid to kind of touch it. I didn't know if it was loaded." Defense attorney Abby Lowell also questioned Hallie on the details of her story, including where she found the remnants of crack cocaine and what type of paraphernalia was in the car. To both inquiries, she responded that she didn't recall. In addition to her detailed discovery of the gun, Hallie Biden's testimony also included some bombshell information about their brief romantic relationship, which began after her husband, Beau Biden, Hunter's older brother, died on May 30, 2015. She went on to say that she discovered Hunter's crack cocaine use shortly after they started their relationship. Hallie also admitted to using the drug during the summer of 2018 after Hunter introduced it to her. She testified, "It was a terrible experience that I went through, and I am embarrassed, and I am ashamed, and I regret that period of my life." Elsewhere in her testimony, Hallie opened up about Hunter's drug use, stating that while he seemed normal at times, it was clear the drugs also affected his personality and mood.
I've gone through my own struggles.
In and out of rehab 7-8 times.
Say it nicer to me.
During Lowell's cross-examination, Hallie recalled moments where she had trouble believing Hunter during that time, including the drug-related text messages he allegedly sent around the date he bought the gun. One of the texts shown to the court was from Hunter saying he was, quote, "sleeping on a car smoking crack 2 days after the firearms purchase." However, Hallie claimed that she never physically witnessed any drug use around that time. If you or anyone you know needs help with addiction issues, help is available. Visit the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration website or contact SAMHSA's National Helpline at 1-800-662-HELP 4357.